Brian and I were competing with each other in custom line home building, and we thought that there was a spot in the market where they could use more of a semi-custom rather than a production home like some of the other builders in town. I used to do floor covering inside. Brian used to do framing, so between the two of us, we kind of had the whole home covered. He covers the front part of it, I cover all the inside part of it, and between the two of us, it makes a perfect pair.
With Josh and I, you're getting two guys that utilize their experience from the front end to the back end, and so it completes a seamless process.
So you're not getting the same thing where you can only pick from this, and you're not going through the stringency of having to pick everything out and go into all the stores. We wanted to hit something in the middle, because that was our biggest complaint by homeowners, was having to drive all over to all these places. So we tried to make that easier with a showroom and have a place where people could come and feel more comfortable. We do it hands-on. I mean, we're out of job sites every day. We don't have a foreman, it's just the two of us. We can problem solve pretty much anything that happens because we've either done it, been in framing, been in construction, so it makes it a lot easier for us to handle the situation.
I think what makes us different from other builders in the market in this price point is that we offer a lot of standard features that are upgrades with our competition, and we offer a lot of features that they just won't do.
We like to think that we're more along the modern, contemporary style of home building. We don't just kind of copy everybody else. We try to bring in, different cities, styles, and designs to our homes here in the Midwest.
I think what inspires me the most is I love to see a job through from contract and the initial start of a project through the actual building of a project, the closing of a project, and a happy homeowner.
I like to look at a piece of ground that has nothing, and as the stages go on and you see something complete that you had a hand in, it's satisfying.
Cambridge Realty is a full-service residential broker. We basically help people buy and sell their properties. We also represent the front end of Cambridge Homes, so we take clients from the front end all the way from the start to finish, and we deal with all the client interaction during a build. With new clients, we try to start with a sit down where we kind of get to know all their needs and wants on a house. We take them through one of our models and find everything that they really need in the house. Then we kind of isolate all their wants and work down a checklist from there. After that, we build a personalized price list, go from there and see what all they can actually afford, and then we design their house around that. One of the special things about having Cambridge Realty partnering with Cambridge Homes is Cambridge Realty can service a client for basically their entire lives. We can help them into their first home, we can help them upgrade into usually about where Cambridge sits. And then Cambridge, while they offer this kind of mid-level pricing, I mean, they can easily go further and beyond that to build a lot of people in one home. A lot of the smaller what they call production builders kind of focus on that one time. They work with the client once, they build that single area of pricing that they can work or single type of home, whereas Cambridge is a lot more customization. We can service somebody for life if possible. Since we're representing Cambridge Homes, is that a lot of times we can help people kind of as a one-stop shop, help both sell their current home, move into the new one. Oftentimes we can save them quite a bit of money. Sometimes we can even ease their moving process so they don't have to sit in an apartment for 6 months. We can sometimes time the selling just right so they can move directly from one home into another. It just makes everything a lot more seamless. You're taking something that's supposed to be just a build, it's a house, and you kind of make it someone's home in the end. And they seem to really appreciate that, which drives us as well.
We feel that there is a lot of importance in putting toward the homeowner and what they actually want, not what we or somebody else tells them they should have. And we feel that we filled that void in Omaha. We want our clients to feel like they're part of the Cambridge Homes family. We want them to tell their friends about us, that we want to be part of it from here on out. Whether anybody that they meet or talk to, they refer us and they talk about us, say we had a great experience.
To feel like they're a part of the process, that they are 100% satisfied.
We're very confident in the product we provide, and I really feel that when people do build with us, that if they build another home, it will be with us.